Okay, so we've been venturing around Halmstad.
Yeah.
We've planned a lot. Now we're going to go see
Mother.
in the World Trade, which is awesome because I
In the
always
Trade Center.
I always want to go there. Car's locked. We'll probably see. We won't see.
Sure?
Yeah, I locked it, and then we're gonna go see. Maybe. So we're gonna go up there now, find her, plan more wedding, and plan some more wedding. How much do you need to plan on weddings?
Oh, there's like 2 weeks full time.
There's so much to plan a wedding. Oops, left, right, which way?
Whatever.
Okay.
Both the same
Some
side.
way in the world.
Somewhere in the world.
Somewhere.
Correct.
Left or right? Maybe. Yeah. We're to the moon. Hey. Okay, we're in. We're past security. In the centre. Oh, here's one. It's open. What number? 3? Do we have to type in a code? I think we have to type in a code. Try another one. Stay in the lift. Okay, let's try these ones. Now you gotta type in a code. What's the pin? Oh, see ya. See ya. I'm locked. Oh, it's locked in. Oops.
So it doesn't work?
Nah, hold it. I think last time I stayed in this, me and Dad stood in here until something happened. I'll see you in 3. I'm stuck. I don't have no clue. I'm going to 12. Going to the top. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. To the roof. Probably gonna scare someone coming out of the door. Morning, 19. Trappa. Yeah, back here again. Oh. Wow. There's our house. I think I'm at the same one as last time with Dad. This is great. I don't know where sorry. Oh, it's really dodgy up here. You can put your hand out. Whoa. Alright, let's go find Bear. And she's gonna kick my ass for leaving her. I got a few pictures in there. Yeah, that's the place. That's where we lived for so long. I love it. Right, gotta get to 3. Okay, open the door. Sweet. Okay. Gotta get down. Alright, she's calling. Hey Bear, I'm on level 19. Yeah, I just disappeared. Where are you?
I'm down at the lift. Somebody's coming to get me.
Okay.
I can't get up to level 3.
And then you gotta get me at level 19.
Can you come down? You should always be able to go into a lift and come down.
Well, I'm pushing the button. It's not letting me get anywhere. I'm
You
stuck.
got to push down.
Yeah, it doesn't let me. I'm pushing the buttons down and up and everything.
The same elevator.
Okay, a lift's open. I'm gonna hit 3 and see if it works. No, it's not letting me.
If I push everything, huh? It's waiting for coming down.
Oh.
I don't know where you went.
Well, mate, actually, maybe if I jump back in the lift and you hit the down button, I'll come down to the floor again. Try
The
that.
lift you went into is on level 11 now.
No, I don't know. I'm worried. Hold on. Let me try something. Let me see if the stairs are open.
Why did you do this?
Because I love you.
Did you see the rooftop?
I found the stairs. I found the stairs. I'm in the rooftop. I'm going higher though. I'm at level
Stop at
20.
level 3.
Level 3, that's... Okay, I'm at level 20. I'm gonna go higher. Okay. Oh, wow. It's a nice view. I'm going higher, I'm at 21 now. Okay, 20, 21, I'll go to 22. Okay, going higher. It's pretty high up here. There's birds up here.
Well, we're on level 3. Let me know if you can't get this.
Okay, are you? Yeah, come to level 20, 22. Can you get to level 22? Okay. I'm in level 22. That's where I am. And it's high. Okay, let's go. She hung up on me. Watch. Okay. I wanna get. How do I get down? Ah! It's high. Stupra. Oh. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Oh, this is the top. Right, level 22. No more higher than this. Okay, I'm at 22 now and I'll jump in the lift. Where are you? What? I'm stuck in the lift. I want to get down. I'm just stuck. I'm not walking down the stairs of 18 bloody flights. Or whatever. Right, lift's open. I'm in a lift. Hit number 3. Bear.
Yeah?
Did you hit 3? What's the code? Shit, I'm fucking stuck.
Våning 22.
Okay, can you hear me now? Shit, she's gone. Yeah, I'm officially... So I've just found a sound box. This is really cool. You get in here and you can really be... Hello? So, I finally got out of the elevator. Sarah and her friend are upstairs planning the wedding. I was helping, but they talked a lot of Swedish and I don't speak good Swedish. So I ended up venturing around this office and I found this. Hello, it's me. So all I'm doing now is venturing around this office block, which is really empty and quiet, and just drinking a lot of tea. Hello. So it's not too bad. Oh, I'm just waiting for Sarah to finish. Well, so I think I've done my part. I think now they're just talking about the flowers and stuff, and I'm just walking around the trade centre, enjoying my time, looking around, seeing what things I can play with and do. I'm on level 2 now, they're on level 3 upstairs. Let's go upstairs and find it. It's cool here though. It's a funky office. So much fun things to do. They're talking. I might be quiet. The sun's going down. There. But yeah, that's my day.
Jag menar, det blir ju ändå inköpspriser. Because it's a one way.
So we just left the planning. Went to Ica, got some halves fravs.
Yep. And now we finally
And some
get to
food.
see Anna.
Now we're gonna go see Minnie, and it's gonna be good.
Yep.
We're just parked. We're gonna go get the shit later. But now to find Minnie. We're at the top. Was it? Jesus, this is nice. Hello. Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
We're kind of breaking in.
Yeah,
Hope you don't mind.
that's what I said you should do.
I came gifts. How fast?
Alright.
Love. Hello. There's a weird man in here.
Yeah,
Hey.
I know. Hi.
How are ya?
Good. How are you?
Oh, much better. We're here. So we're at Soda Pier. Again. We finished everything this morning. I didn't start any recording or anything this morning because we were just
We were looking at tables here.
So we've done all the tables and everything now. We've organised a lot. We figured out where people are sitting, who's sitting where's sitting who. It's beautiful though. Look, I don't know if you can see it, but it's beautiful. Now we're just finishing up. Sarah's going to go to the makeup artist and go to makeup. I'm going to just venture around town and enjoy my time. It's going to be great. And she's gone. She took off. So great. And yeah. So it's gonna be a good morning so far, and it's 11:39, so it's not morning for very long, but we slept in today, so it was good. And yeah, so this is the place, and it's gonna be organised. It's gonna be great. Hey door.